Can you imagine spending a weekend between the sea and the mountains? Here it's possible. Welcome to Almazara Hills. Today we're showing you this incredible 3-bedroom apartment with 2 bathrooms, large private pool and 2 terraces, both with these exclusive views. We finished the video on the second terrace, where you can relax on the sun loungers or take a bath with views in the jacuzzi. Thank you for watching the video and I'll see you in the next property tour.